Are you bored of playing Uno by the rules? Try adding some spice to the game with these side rules. Number stacking. If you're holding multiples of the same number as what's shown on the stack, on your turn you can play as many of that card in any color as you'd like. I can play both of these fours from my hand. The same goes for symbol cards. Their values are multiplied. So if I stack 3 draw 2 cards, the next player would have to draw 6 cards. Boo-hoo. You could take this side rule to the next level by allowing chain reactions. That means if a player number stacks, all the other players can pile on with their own fours or whichever number was stacked. The last player to add to the stack gets to begin the next play. There's also a color stacking side rule in which you can play all the cards in your hand that have the same color as the card you've been played to. For instance, here we have a blue 7. I can play all of my blue cards even if they aren't the correct number. It's the last card that is face up becomes the next player's responsibility. 2 for 2. Anytime a player plays the number 2 card, they can exchange any 2 cards from their hand with a player of their choosing. You don't get to see what they have before the exchange, so be careful. Uno can be played in a scoring style. At the end of each round, the winner scores points based on the cards remaining in their opponent's hands. Numbered cards score face value, while action cards score 20 points, and wild cards score 50 points. The game typically continues for multiple rounds, and the first player to reach a predetermined score, such as 500 points, is declared the overall winner. One wacky rule that I've played with, and it's kind of fun, is face out Uno, in which you hold your cards face out. You have to remember the cards you have in your hand to play them. And if you play a card that doesn't work on the stack, you'll have to put it back in your hand. And better luck next round playing a card that actually works. I suggest starting with 5 cards for this style. Do you have an even better house rule? Drop it in the comments and share it with the world. Did you like this video? Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Now get out there and play some games.